Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Avatar The Last Airbender Season 3, Episode 14 and also 15 on the same day for me, but not for you on the same video. Don't begin to be mad at me. Don't begin to be like, oh, there are two parts of the same episode, you have to put them on the same day and or no. The answer is no, you know. If you are there since the beginning of my binge watching, you know that the answer is no. Because of the fact that I need time in review to talk about each episode, so it's already making a video on itself, you know, the intro, the reaction part, and also the review part. Also because I have a schedule that I'm posting to you each Monday on YouTube, Patreon, and Twitter, so you know what it's gonna be, how it's gonna be, so don't act like you're surprised or something like that, come on. I'm not gonna talk about it again during this intro, but about my outfit, don't comment stuff about my outfit, you don't need to. I already took a lot of time in the intro of the last episode to tell you that I'm feeling comfortable about it for potential trolls, but also even more, in fact, and it's more important for me with myself, with the fact that I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna feel comfortable with the look that I have, you know, with how I look like, and it was not the case during a long time, and without telling you I was changing my outfit because I was not feeling comfortable with that image of myself. And today, for once in my life, after treating people who were using that word, you know, self-love, as pretentious people, I was wrong about it. I'm recognizing it now, because now I can say that I'm into a self-love mode. And for me, self-love, it's about feeling proud of yourself, of how you look like, and it's just sharing with people the fact that you think that you're looking good, that you're proud of yourself, and not being like, yeah, I'm so cute and oh, look at me. No, it's not that. It's really, at least for me, when I'm using that word self-love, it's really like, see, I'm feeling good today. I think that I look good and I'm proud of myself. It took me a lot of time to think that about myself, so I'm proud of myself. The fact that I'm thinking that of myself. Do you understand? I'm sure that you understand. Stop. About the last episode of Avatar that I just watched, it was so great, I cried. Are you surprised? I'm not. Of course I'm gonna cry. I mean, I had tears on my eyes, you know, during the end of the episode with these two, you know, Zuko and Aang walking together, walking well together, and making that dance with the dragons who were representing so well, in fact, themselves, and the fact that they are facing the dragon of the other one, like they are facing each other, but in fact no, because now they are working together and it's coming like that, you know, the fire, and now they know how to fireburn, the two of them, you know, how to fireburn with a good origin of the fire. You understood what I meant by that, you know, they found their inner fire. I love that. And I had tears into my eyes already because of that, but I really began to cry when they mentioned the fact that no Iroh didn't kill the last dragon. He was judged also by the masters, who told him that he was worthy to stay alive, and he lied to protect them. He lied about killing the last dragon to protect them, to protect these people. I don't know if I can love Iroh more than how I already love him, but each time they are learning me more stuff about him, like each time I'm more proud of loving this character. Because really, I'm not loving him more each time. It's not possible. You can't love someone that much. So it's more the fact that I'm more amazed and amazed by this character each time. Can we see him? We have 2 episodes working together. I don't know what it's gonna be about. You know me, you know that I'm not watching trailers for new episodes of new seasons which are out. But for shows like that I'm binge watching, I'm not reading, you know, the synopsis or even the titles of the episodes, which could be spoilers for me. So I don't know what are gonna be these 2 episodes about. Right now, we are not gonna invade again the Fire Nation. We are not gonna fight the Fire Lord right now. It's episode 14 and 15. After what happened just after that, for me, it's gonna be about learning how to firebend, really all of the skills of firebending. Maybe and learning, you know, that thing about firebending. For me, my theory about that, it's gonna be really important. It's gonna be maybe the way for Aang to win at the end against the Fire Nation. And that's why everything, you know, is gonna be logical and is gonna fit well with Iroh learning that to Zuko and Zuko learning that to Aang. It's gonna have its importance for me. So maybe you can learn how to do that during these 2 episodes. I don't know, you know, for now, what enemy we have that we can fight if it's not the Fire Lord and Azula? I really don't know. Or maybe we're gonna fight with Azula during this episode. I don't think that we can fight her for good, you know, it can't be the last fight, but maybe it can happen. When we have 2 episodes like that working together, it's for an evolution on the story but also on the characters. So for me, firebending can be the evolution, you know, for Aang. He can learn how to firebend. Zuko can be finally accepted into the group. We can have an evolution, you know, with that, with Katara. Maybe he's gonna do something during a fight or something like that, and Katara is gonna be like, okay, I'm beginning to trust you, I'm open to the conversation at least. And for the story, I don't know. Or maybe we're gonna meet again the Guru and it's gonna be about the Avatar state, the spirit world and all. Because you know also my theory about that, I didn't give up on it. Even if we had these episodes about the Avatar state with the Guru and the chakra, I still think that the Avatar state is related to the spirit world. Even if it's wrong, you know, that theory, I still think that we're gonna go back to the spirit world. We have to go back into it. I don't know for what reason, but we saw such a little part of it. For me, it was almost like we're gonna come back. It was just like a little eye on it, but we're gonna come back. Like that monkey spirit that we met, it was to tease us, the fact that we're gonna meet him really. No? But yes, that's what I can imagine for these 2 episodes. I have my tissue just right there. I cried for the 4 last episodes. This is 2 episodes working together, so it's gonna be important ones, big ones. You know me, I know myself. Let's be honest together. Let's say that I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna cry, and you know already that I'm gonna cry, and that's why you are there also. You are expecting me to cry. No, that's okay. I know. I know why. I know. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro and let's go for this episode 14. Again, like always, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier, at least 2 weeks sooner right now, and with an extended or full reaction part. Let's go for this one. Finally, we're gonna have news about the Kyoshi Warriors and Suki. Since how long I'm saying it like, where are they? You can't come back and release them now? The Boiling Rock?
but hopefully I learned a thing or two.
Oh.
Oh, I can't remember how it starts, but the punchline is, leave me alone. I'm bushed.
You're bad at making jokes.
Right.
We need
Maybe
you.
that's because he remembers the whole thing.
You know that they are beginning to accept you.
Hey, can I talk to you for a second?
Yes? No, I'm not stressed. Come on.
When the invasion plan failed, some of our troops were taken. I just want to know where they might be. I can't tell you. They were taken to the Boiling Rock. What's that? The highest security prison in the Fire Nation.
Part 1, part 2.
It's on an island in the middle of the boiling.
We're gonna release them?
What are you planning? Nothing.
Là, yeah.
Not up to anything, huh? Fine. You caught me. I'm gonna rescue my dad. You happy now? I'm never happy.
That's a lie.
My decision to stay when things were going wrong. It's my mistake, and it's my job to fix
I
it.
knew you
I
were
have to
feeling
regain my
guilty.
honor. You need to regain your honor. Believe me, I get it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going with you. No.
Just the two of you?
We'll take my war balloon.
After an episode with Aang and Zuko, I'm gonna die.
Pretty clouds. Yeah. Fluffy. What? There's one thing my dad's good at. It's war. Yeah, it seems to run in the family. Hey, hold on. I know, you've changed. I met my uncle.
Yes, I was gonna say it. You met him.
I think your uncle would be proud of you. You didn't leave behind anyone you cared about?
May?
Well, I did have a girlfriend. That gloomy girl who sighs a lot? Everyone in the Fire Nation thinks
See, they're mentioning Iroh and I'm already crying.
my first girlfriend turned into the moon.
And you're gonna save your second one.
No, Dad. The moon's not working anymore.
Why?
The air outside is just as hot as the air inside. How are we gonna get off the island if the balloon won't work? We'll figure something out. I suspect
With all of these people that you want to say?
there's no turning back now. I hope these disguises work. We just need to lay low and find my dad as soon as
Oh! Go with them.
We can't blow our cover.
It was Zuko who wanted to intervene.
Bow down when I walk by, Chit-Sang.
What? That's not a prison rule.
Do it.
Make me.
Oh! You're good. His face, it's funny, it's reminding me someone. On ice, you're closing them.
Believe this guy. I wasn't trying to escape.
Not at all.
I saw him with my own eyes.
No one has ever escaped from here.
No need to say that I hate this place, right?
There are no water tribe prisoners. I'm afraid your father's not here. What?
Fuck.
Are you sure? Did you double check? Yeah.
The Kyoshi warrior, Suki maybe.
What would Uncle say? Sometimes clouds have two sides. When life seems hard, take a bite out of the silver sandwich. We haven't failed after all. That's the spirit. I can't believe that worked.
I can't believe it right now.
No, what you said made no sense at
The
all.
fact that
But look,
you're on the same page.
What is it? Did I do something wrong?
No.
you mean you don't recognize me?
You're telling her
Maybe you recognize this.
what she told you the last time.
Sokka! It's you!
The
Oh,
other Kyushu warriors,
cute.
are they here?
No, I don't know where they are. They locked me in here because I'm the leader.
I'm afraid for them, you know. If they are not important enough to be in jail, help him?
Guard! Help! I think he's an imposter! Arrest him!
Oh, rest. Don't worry, I'll figure it out.
I never thought I'd find you in here. Prince Zuko.
Okay, so you know.
You broke my niece's heart.
May?
You're May's uncle? I never meant to hurt her.
They're gonna come. Azula, May, and Tiny.
Why don't you just tell my father and collect a reward?
Oh, in due time, believe me, I intend to collect.
Actually, we met a long time ago.
We did?
Kind of burned down my village.
Remember?
Oh, sorry about that. Nice to see you again. So listen.
I'm really afraid for the other Kyoshi warriors. I think that they killed them.
It's a perfect boat for getting through the boiling water. The cooler as a boat? Are you sure? Tell me.
Let's
I
try.
looked around the perimeter. There's a blind spot between two guard towers. As long as you don't make a sound, no one will notice. And bing bang boom, we're home free.
Ah, that's great that we are only 3 of you to release, in fact. 4? And so... Umi?
Watch where you're going.
Hey, you watch where you're shoving.
Fight with Fireball.
I need backup over here.
No fire venting. Into the cooler.
The fact that it's in 2 episodes, it means that we're not gonna succeed so easily.
I can take you back to your cell if you've learned your lesson. Yes, I have. Completely.
Some robbers, couple traitors, some war prisoners. Though I did hear there might be a pirate.
Oh!
War prisoners. It could be your father. Is it right for me to risk Suki's freedom? All of her freedom on the slim chance that my dad is gonna show up?
How can you release all of them?
This here's my girl and my best buddy. They're coming too.
Fine. Everybody in the cooler. Let's go.
You can all fit into it?
Are you sure you want to go? You're the one who said you wanted to redeem yourself. Maybe sometimes it's just better to call it quits before you fail. No, it's not. Even though you'll probably fail over and over and over again. Seriously, not helping. You have to try every time. You can't quit because you're afraid you might fail. No, I'm saying. You guys go.
That was a good lesson! I would be proud of you.
Let's roll, baby.
Bye.
I hope we haven't just made a huge mistake.
I hope also.
I can use this to.
No, 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 no. I hope he's not gonna say the truth, you know, about well. That's the new prisoners.
If my dad's not there, we risk everything for nothing.
We had to.
Come on, come on.
Suki, thank you for that.
Where is he? That's it? That can't be it.
Hey, you. Get off the gondola.
It's him. Only him?
Dad.
Yes. But only him? Where are the others? I'm thinking, you know. I'm trying to connect the dots to... I don't know why it's giving me hope also for the Kyoshi warriors to not be killed. They didn't kill all of the prisoners right there. Maybe, in fact, you know, I was wrong with thinking that they are not important enough to be into that jail, so they were killed. No, in fact, maybe these ones are important enough to be taken into that jail, but the other ones, who are not important enough because they are not the leaders and all, they are taken to the jail, into the capital, you know, where Iroh was. Maybe it's more that. Maybe it's more that, you know, Suki, she said it. She said that she was considered as the leader of the Kyoshi warriors, and that's why they took her right there. So it's logical that Sokka's dad, who was the leader of the invasion plan, you know, was leading everyone, made that speech, you know, before the invasion plan and all, they considered him as the leader, and that's why they took him right there. And all of the rest, they are into the jail, you know, to the fire capital. I think that it's more something like that. But I just thought about it. Azula, she said that she talked a lot with a certain Kyoshi warrior who knew Sokka's name and was, you know, having hopes about Sokka coming to rescue her. If Suki is right there since a long time into that jail, Or maybe it was before Suki was taken right there. You know, the timing of that, I can't understand the timing of that. When Azula visited Suki like that to talk about her so much, and when Suki arrived into that jail, because right there she seemed to be here for a long time. I was clearly not expecting that. I was clearly not expecting an episode with only Zuko and Sokka. I was clearly not expecting Sokka to decide that he could save his father, all of the prisoners just right there, and Zuko helping him. I was clearly not expecting that, you know, to be a solution that we could have at this point during the show. To have 2 episodes about that. This guy that we just met, I can't remember his name into the show for sure, but really his face, how they drew, you know, his face and all, it seems like they put a lot of attention into it. It's almost like it's supposed to represent someone in in the actual world, like an actor or someone like that. I can't put a face or a name on it. I'm gonna check that, you know, during the editing. I'm gonna do my homework. I'm not doing it right now because I don't want to have spoilers about this character, how it's gonna end for him and all of that. Because right now, you know, they were taken back to the jail, and just before that, that guy, he said something like, no one never escaped from my jail and it's never gonna happen. I would prefer to kill you myself. He said something like that, so I think that he's gonna be killed. But I'm afraid because that person, he knows that right there Sokka is lying about being a soldier and all, like he can tell to people stuff about us, about the fact that we were trying to escape also with Suki, about the fact that Sokka wants to save his dad. I'm afraid of that, you know, of what that guy that we saved in fact can tell about us to the wrong persons. It's better, you know, the fact that we have only to rescue Suki and Sokka's dad right there, because all of the prisoners, all of the Kyoshi warriors, all of the prisoners taken during the evasion plan, it would be too much. Even one only war balloon, it wouldn't have been enough to release all of them. I think that we can do it. I don't know right now what we can do really, but I think that we can do it. How, you know, how we can leave this place, I don't know. How we can release Sokka's dad, I don't know. But we can do it, I think. The gang, you know, and Katara and Toph, they're not gonna understand what we are doing right now. How could they? If Appa could talk, he would tell them, but he can't, so he's not gonna tell them. I really don't know how they would know. We can't send them a message, we can't warn them, you know, that we are right there and we need help. We need Appa's help. And I'm afraid also, I don't know why, because of the fact maybe that they discussed about May, I'm afraid of May, Azula and Ty Lee coming, or maybe only May coming. In that case, I'm not afraid of it. I'm more like, it could be great for Zuko, because I'm sure that he's feeling guilty about leaving the place like that and leaving May like that. I think that he needs more than a letter to make May understand why he made that decision. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this review right now and I'm gonna watch the episode 15 just right now. For you it's gonna be in another day, for me in just some minutes. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Right.